Hi, I'm Art Marshall with NEC Display Solutions, and I'm here in the colorHQ booth at the Print 13 Expo. And one of the things I wanted to show you today was one of the new features in our MultiProfiler configuration tool. Now, MultiProfiler is a tool that manages all the settings on your NEC Multisync P and PA series desktop displays. This has always had the ability to load ICC profiles, but one of the things I'm going to show you today is a new feature that allows you to do a quick printer emulation. So the display has 5 built-in presets. This display we're working with has Adobe RGB, sRGB, High Bright, Full, and SpectraView 2, which is our calibrated preset. So what I'm going to show you is how to use the SpectraView 2 preset and create a quick print emulation of a swap profile based on that SpectraView 2 calibration. So I've already selected the SpectraView 2 preset, and I'm going to choose the Edit button and then use Quick Print Emulation. Now this is going to bring up the Quick Print Emulation dialog. This tells you all about what we're going to do and what the process is going to do to the monitor. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a printer profile that I'm going to load into a preset. So I have one loaded here. It's called the Swap Standard, so I'm going to go ahead and load that. And then it's going to ask me what the rendering intents are. We do offer some defaults. Obviously, you want to use your best settings for your environment, but for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and use perceptual and not simulate paper and black ink. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select which picture mode of these 4 picture modes to load this preset into. I'm going to overwrite the full preset, and I'm going to just name my preset Swap, so it's very clear what it's doing. So I'm going to click Next, and it's going to give you a summary of what the settings are, and then I'm going to click Finish. And now what it's going to do is it's actually going to adjust the settings directly in the display and load a new lookup table into the display and set that 4th preset that was once called Full, rename it to Swap, and now I'll have a quick push of a button preset that will represent this emulated printer profile. Now this is a great feature for doing something very quickly, and it gives you the opportunity to load perhaps different papers or different printers into presets on your monitor, so you can have a quick view of what that output is going to look like on that media. So this process takes just a minute or two here, and then when it's done, you will see on the left-hand side here the presets will update, and we're looking for this full preset to change to the word Swap. One of the things that you'll notice when you're doing this live as well is the display will actually change colors and adjust itself live, so you can see real time what the changes that are being made are. So now we're done. The preset is now called Swap. That is based on the printer profile for Swap that was loaded, and it's also based on the settings for the SpectraView 2 calibration. All right, this is Art Marshall with NEC's Display Solutions in the colorHQ booth. Thank you for watching.